Today, I'm going to show you one of the most fascinating, and at the same time, one of the most dangerous chemical reactions. At first, it looks like nothing more than a strange green, oily liquid. But don't let its appearance fool you. When potassium permanganate reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, it can produce highly unstable oxidizing compounds. These compounds store a tremendous amount of chemical energy and are extremely reactive toward organic materials. That's why even a small amount of organic material can trigger a sudden and violent reaction, releasing that stored energy almost instantly. Because of these hazards, this reaction belongs in the category of high-risk chemistry demonstrations and should only be performed in a properly equipped laboratory by trained professionals using appropriate safety equipment. If you enjoyed this experiment, subscribe to Shock Lab. We upload exciting chemistry experiments every single day. See you in the next experiment. Goodbye.